Hi everyone, I'm Mary Beth Hamilton from babysavers.com, and today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of Madison Reed hair dye. And I just want to say before we get started that Madison Reed did give me this sample for free, but this is not sponsored and it is not a paid review. So there is already one review of Madison Reed Hair Color on babysavers.com. My sister did it a while ago and she was insanely happy with the results of the color. Since then, we've had a lot of visitors and a lot of questions about Madison Reed, and honestly, no one has ever shared any sort of bad experience with them. Everyone is super happy with it, and I can see why, because their customer service is really awesome. If you go to their website, they have quite a few tools and services available to help you make sure that you're getting the right product for what you need, and the right color hair dye too. So to start with, there's this nice, you get everything that you need in this nice kit. So the box inside says, "We believe in integrity, innovation, and love for you and your color. We believe in a better way, and we believe in beautiful, naturally healthy looking hair. Madison Reed is color that cares, color with a cause, and color with confidence. We are the fabulous future of hair color." So I wanted to just go over how this is actually for my sister. This is not for me, but I wanted to go over how she chose this color. So there's a questionnaire online that you can use on Madison Reed's website to help you choose the right shade and formula for your hair. So you can go through and say if it's short or long, which does make a difference. You can say if it's already been dyed or highlighted, how often you've been dyeing or highlighting your hair, what you want to do, like if you just want to cover your roots, or if you want all over color, if you want a major color change, what sort of tones you want, like if you want it with golden undertones or more of like cool undertones. So there's quite a few things that it goes through. And if you don't want to do that, you can also just go through and look at this whole big selection of color swatches and pick out the one that you like. But anyway, so if you go through the whole questionnaire, it comes up with like a #1 recommended hair color, or at least it did for us, and then a few secondary hair colors. But if you don't want those, you can again go back into that list or all the swatches where it has like actual real pictures of people with that hair dye, and you can decide which one you want based on that too. But my sister took the recommendation, and so she ordered, I want to make sure I get this right, Veneto Light Brown, which is 7 NVA. It's actually the same color that my sister used before because she was super happy with it. So we wanted, it's been a few years, so it's not like she's been continuously using the same hair color or anything. She dyes her hair with other brands and other colors, but this is the one that she's always wanted to go back to. So we didn't want to mess with it since we knew that color worked for her. But starting out, so there's a flyer or a pamphlet with instructions, very thorough instructions for how to prepare, how to do all over color or touch up your color, and then what to do with that. And it also has instructions for a sensitivity test and a strand test in here as well. It also, it came with a sample. So this is a sample of Madison Reed's root touch-up for hair. And it came with several samples. So there's dark brown, medium brown, auburn, red, light golden brown, blonde duo light blonde, or blonde duo dark blonde. And so you can match up your swatches with what you need. And it has little applicators, and so just to try it if you like it. And I've never used a root touch-up before, and I don't think my sister has either, but this is something else that you'll definitely see in our review, our new review, when it's posted. So the next thing that we have in the box is, this is the actual Veneto Light Brown 7 NVA hair color. So it comes in a tube like this, and this is the radiant cream color. And then in this bottle is the conditioning color activator. You also have a few different packets here. Barrier cream, no stains allowed. So to use, apply it to the hairline prior to color application, rinse off after the color has processed. So there have been a few times in my life where I've dyed kind of the under part of my hair red, And red is very noticeable if you get it on your skin or anything. So, and the brand that I used didn't come with any sort of barrier cream, and I didn't even know anything about it. So this would be super helpful to like put on your ears and around your forehead and your neck, especially if you're going for a darker color, because those can stand out quite a bit if you get it on your skin. Oh, then we have a cleansing wipe, and this wipes up color stains if they do come on your skin. So gently swipe across the skin to eliminate any color stains. Discard after use. So that's also super handy. And that box color that I got from the drugstore also didn't include that. And then 2 other packets. So we have color protecting shampoo and color protecting conditioner. And I have to say, I've used samples of both of these before, and they are amazing. Like, they smell super good, and they leave your hair feeling so healthy. With conditioner, with shampoo, I'm kind of okay with everything for shampoo. I just wanted to get my hair clean, but I'm really picky about my conditioner. Probably comes from having really curly hair, which you can't tell right now, but I have very naturally curly hair. And so conditioner is always like had to be my best friend. And if it doesn't work, then it's just like, it's gone. Like I can't use it ever again. And so I want something that leaves my hair feeling really smooth and silky. And it's okay if it leaves like a little bit of that like slick to it. I really want my hair to feel slick, and but I can't have it feeling heavy. It can't weigh down my hair too much, and it also has to detangle. And I have to tell you that the Madison Reed Color Protecting Conditioner does all of that, and it does it so well. Like, your hair is just silky smooth after using it. And I think it also probably like puts back a lot of those nutrients that you need after dyeing your hair. It says, nourish your hair with our color protecting conditioner. Gently hydrate with honey and aloe for soft, silky hair. Our sulfate-free formula keeps color vibrant. Keratin, oat, and lupine? Not sure. Protect your color from UV damage and daily wear. We also removed irritants like glutens, parabens, and phthalates. You're left with nourished locks that hold on to color longer. It's also sulfate-free, which is really good once you've colored your hair. You don't want sulfates because from what I understand, they dull the color and also make it rinse out of your hair faster. So sulfates are very bad for hair dye, from what I know. And then the last couple things in this box are gloves, which are good. So latex free, and then a cap to cover your hair when the dye is setting. So, which is also another little, like, I guess, luxury that Madison Reed includes that you just don't get with every box of hair dye that you buy at the drugstore. So another thing that I just wanted to cover is Madison Reed really is big about their ingredients and their formulations. And it says right here they have ingredients with integrity. So it's free of ammonia, parabens, resorcinol, phthalates, gluten, PPD, and it's full of keratin, argan oil, ginseng, and root extract. So I don't really know too much about how good ginseng and root extract are for hair, but I know keratin and argan oil are super great for hair, so it makes me happy to read that. So this is everything that you receive in the box of Madison Reed Hair Color. There's a link below so you can check out the existing review of Madison Reed Hair Dye, this exact color, Veneto Light Brown. And once we get the updated review, which we're hoping to include video with that too, then there will also be a link to that review as well. Thank you very much.